Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of our house construction. To see the first part, please see the link in the description box below. The first part of the video is all about the construction phase. Today's video will be focused on the house tour. So join me as we see our parents' house for the very first time. We built this house specifically for our parents. My father is a stroke patient and unfortunately, naka-wheelchair na siya. So wheelchair accessible ang design ng house. And there he is, patiently waiting for us. I guess most stroke patients tend to be very emotional, so I think these are tears of joy. We went home to see the house and to celebrate my parents' 48th wedding anniversary. Sinabay na din namin ang house blessing para isang handaan na lang. Okay, so let's go and do a quick house tour. So this is a one-story house with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The porch is about 2 meters wide, enough to accommodate a few outdoor furniture. And as for the porch, this is actually the most photographed part of the house because of its view and the windmill. The main door is about 100 centimeters wide, big enough for wheelchair access. It is a very simple home with an open floor plan. You can see the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen from the main door. Doors to the bedrooms are located across the dining area. We've installed a decent-sized kitchen island for an extra counter space and additional storage. It is big enough to fit 3 bar stools for extra seating. So this house has a high sloping ceiling, about 14 feet ang highest point, which helps opens up the room even more. The clerestory window allows for natural lighting and creates an interior space that is open and bright. And the sliding glass doors provide easy access to the patio. It brings the outdoors in. The overall design is very energy efficient. The guest bedroom is big enough to fit a queen-size bed and a single bed. It has 2 large sliding windows to allow for sufficient airflow. The common bathroom is smaller in size. It is only about 1.5 meters by 2 meters lang. But even with its current size, the toilet area remains dry even after shower. I don't know about you guys. Ayoko kasi nung nababasa yung toilet section kapag may naliligo. So I really hope na it's bigger in size, so we'll probably do something about this later on. But hey, I've seen smaller bathrooms before. The master bedroom is a little bit bigger in size. It is 4 meters by 3 meters. It is enough to accommodate a queen-size bed and enough space for a wheelchair to move around. The master bath is 3 meters by 2 meters. Kasyang-kasya ang wheelchair. Meron ding small dirty kitchen sa labas. Eventually, we'll add more living space at the back, but for now, ipon muna. Because the house sits on a hill, hindi maiiwasan ang soil erosion. So to protect the slope, nagpa-riprap kami. Of course, nakabantay ang foreman. It turned out really good, especially after my mom added tropical plants around the area. The house is even more welcoming with these plants. We also added a pathway leading to the dirty kitchen. This serves as a shortcut para pag galing ka sa palengke, hindi ka nadadaan sa front door. Diretso na yung mga isda at baboy na pinamili mo sa dirty kitchen. So that is it for the quick tour of the house. Again, this is just a very simple but functional home. You know, eventually we'll build our own retirement home, and when that happens, we'll be sure to take you on our journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Please like and subscribe. See ya!